I'm Jordan with May Media. I want to walk you through a program we built called May Media Stars and who it's designed to help. Small business marketing teams are often also small. They are typically 1 to 3 people that also carry other roles with the business and don't have time to sift through the endless marketing tips online to find what applies to their business and what is completely made up. These small businesses don't have the budget to hire a marketing agency on retainer every month, but they need the marketing help that one could provide them. That is who we made May Media Stars for. It's a low-cost membership where you learn about SEO and optimization for AI search, marketing processes and how to automate them, as well as lessons on business development. As a member, you get exclusive video tutorials, live classes, meetups, and community discussion forums, plus marketing templates and files you can put to work right away. As a member, you also get a deep discount on any one-on-one coaching calls that you need. We've spent years helping our clients grow, and we wanted a way to make our experience accessible for the people who need it most, small businesses. Stars is how we stay in your corner with ongoing support, real answers, and a community pulling for each other at a small price a small business can afford. We are now accepting founding members at a price of $147 per quarter, which is every 3 months. We will raise the price in January 2027 most likely, but founding members will keep their price when that happens. That sounds like something you or a business you know could use. Go to maymedia.com/stars to join. We'd love to have you.